the sound of this every time we go through the archway. You have to take it down when it's really stormy. I was just picking some fruit and I thought I would show you our little tunnel, our little oasis of berries. I picked a huge bowl full of blackberries from this bush and they're all hiding. There's one nearly ripe. It's a special type of blackberry with no thorns. Don't know how they managed that, but they did. Yeah, they tuck in. You've got to get your hands in, and they're all hidden under the leaves. Some little ones coming on, which will turn black, obviously. And the leaves of the squash are coming to an end now, which means they're harvestable, I suppose. This one is going to be dinner soon. This is our banana squash. And just to get, look how big everything is, to how big that is. It's like butternut squash but sweeter, much nicer. And the raspberries, oh my gosh, since we've had the rain last week, after that really dry spell, there's so many raspberries. Everything's just nuts. This won't be here soon, it'll all drop back and it'll be bare. So I thought I'd just bring you in. Hang on, let me put my raspberry bowl down. So the wasps, the ants, the bugs, us. There's enough raspberries here for all of nature. I've picked all the good ones. Let me show you. And the huge frelongs come in here as well, which are the hornets, massive hornets, but they leave you alone most of the time. And even our raspberry hedge there, they started to get loads of raspberries on. Ooh, hang on, I'm all caught up. There we go. So look, these are our grapes. After 3 years, we finally have grapes. I think last year they started to grow. Something happened, I can't remember. But we can actually eat them this year. We have so many. It's grapevine. I've never had a grapevine before. I've got the grapes going up here and the raspberries are meeting it and the squash. I'm surprised it's held up. Of course it's held up, Roy made it. Roy had a grapevine, red grapes in Portsham when we lived there, and it was didn't really do much with it. But these are delicious. These grapes, and we're so happy, having abundance. This is our little oasis, and these little this box of strawberries just here. That's 3 times we've had strawberries from that this year. All our strawberries down the other end, only once a year we get them. 3 times we've had strawberries this year from there. Each year our garden's getting more beautiful, and yeah, so cool. I love sharing it with you. I wish you could taste them all. You have to come and visit, won't you? Anyway, I'm off now. Let's have one. That's amazing. Right, I better finish collecting the raspberries.